1 year after a powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck central Myanmar near Mandalay, killing more than 3,000 people, injuring 4,700, and leaving thousands homeless, communities are still rebuilding. Despite the devastation, local responders and residents have shown remarkable resilience, with daily life gradually returning to normal.
Today, this boy turns 1. He was born at the exact moment the earthquake struck Neipu village in Mandalay region a year ago. Miraculously, both mother and child made it through the birth safely right in the midst of the earthquake.
When the earthquake struck, everyone ran for safety. But I was in labor inside the house, and I was extremely worried about the safety of my unborn child. Thankfully, my husband managed to get me to a health station, and my baby was born safely. My child is now very healthy, and people in the village call him the earthquake boy.
1 year after the 7.7 magnitude earthquake devastated Mandalay, the family of Myanmar are still living in a temporary shelter, as the family home that had sheltered generations collapsed in the disaster.
I am 94 years old. My family lived in this house since my grandfather's time. The earthquake destroyed it in nearly a century of life. This is the most terrifying earthquake I've ever experienced.
In the current situation, those who can afford it are rebuilding their homes, while others rely on support from social organizations, UN agencies, and the government. Across the country, people are working hard to return to normal, with coordinated efforts from communities and supporting organizations.
With support from the Myanmar government and international organizations, many families' homes are being rebuilt, and daily life is gradually returning to normal despite ongoing challenges.